sklearn, metrics, D2 absolute error score. Description explain in detail. Inputs. Y true the ground truth correct target values. YPRED the predicted target values. D2 absolute error the D2 absolute error score. Steps. Calculate the absolute difference between each predicted value and its corresponding true value. Square the absolute differences. Sum the squared differences. Take the square root of the sum. Metrics. D2 absolute error score. This metric measures the average distance between the predicted values and the true values. Lower values indicate better model performance. Visualization plots. Scatter plot. A scatter plot can be used to visualize the relationship between the predicted values and the true values. This can help to identify areas where the model is making larger errors. None. Confidence intervals. Confidence intervals can be used to estimate the uncertainty in the models. Predictions. Challenge 1 outliers can significantly impact the D2 absolute error score. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. A single outlier in the data can inflate the D2 absolute error score, even if the model is performing well on the rest of the data. Fixes to challenge 1. Data preprocessing. Consider removing or transforming outliers before training the model. Challenge 2. The D2 absolute error score is sensitive to the scale of the data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. If the target values are on a very large scale, the D2 absolute error score can be very large even if the model is making relatively small errors. Fixes to challenge 2. Data normalization. Normalize the target values before training the model. Scaling. Use a scaling technique like min-max scaler or standard scaler to bring all the features to the same scale.